Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix ShareASale login issues, publisher account errors step by step clearly. If you're facing login issues with your ShareASale publisher account, follow. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable network. Next, ensure you are using the correct login URL for ShareASale. Visit the official ShareASale website to access the login page. Then, enter your email address associated with your account. Double-check for any typos in your email. After that, input your password carefully. Be mindful of uppercase and lowercase letters, as passwords are case-sensitive. If you can't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Once you have reset your password, return to the login page. Input your email and the new password. If you're still encountering issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. You can do this from your browser's settings menu. Alternatively, try using a different browser or device. If the problem persists, disable any browser extensions that may interfere with login. Check to see if ShareASale is experiencing any temporary server issues. Visit websites like Down Detector to confirm if others are facing similar login problems. If all else fails, reach out to ShareASale's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your login issue for a quicker resolution. Remain patient as they work to help you regain access to your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.